You would probably have used artificial intelligence tools to create graphic art, website logos, and backdrop images from prompts till the moment. But have you ever put your ears to the advancement of artificial intelligence tools for investing or stock trading? Stay tuned as we're going to show you 7 amazing AI tools to level up your investing and trading game. Number 1, Trendspider. Are you struggling when it comes to strategic and smarter trading decisions? If yes, then this tool is going to turn the tables for you. Trendspider is one of the best choices for making better investment strategies that work wonders. It's easy to use and ideal for people who are looking for advanced and intelligent trading choices that will increase your win rates and will leave you with a significant profit in no time. Coming towards the main features, Trendspider will discover and improve your edge by using market data of more than 50 years and will refine your trading strategies. Above this, it will automate charting or scanning along with removing errors, which in turn improves accuracy rate by preventing any scanning errors to speed up your process and will help to stretch your trades according to the market values. This magnificent tool has 3 types of pricing plans for its users, with a 2-month free trial if you go with any yearly pricing plan. Number 2, Ticker On. Being a beginner in the stock marketing trade, you would probably be looking for a single platform that can give you signals for day and swing stock trading. Then you must have your hands on Ticker On. From swing stock trading to swing crypto trading, Ticker On just got you. For real-time trading patterns, one has to scan a long list of crypto in a few minutes, which is not humanly possible. If we look at the markers of AI-powered technology, it will make sure to list you on the top of the market along with piling up the profit rates for you by using its real-time alerts. With advanced and fine money management capabilities, it will take your trading to the next level. Moreover, with its unique TPE feature AI trend predictions, you will have access to trends, and you will always have an edge in this fast-paced market. Number 3, Magnify. Your finance analysis to manipulate your portfolio for trading may leave you agitated for the rest of your day. Behold, because Magnify can help you with faster and better research and error-free strategies, and will manage the computation for your investment and all that. Magnify, an AI-driven stock marketing tool, is the most advanced software for analysis. With advancing technologies and new strategies in trading, Magnify is constantly evolving. With the help of a multi-technology system, Magnify will simplify investing for you. With its cool AI interacting assistant, search engines, and date planning tools, it will boost your trading in a couple of days. This AI assistant will help you to understand your investments, which will, in turn, assist the new investors in getting on track and achieving more. In addition to all other features, Magnify makes sure that your experience is protected while transferring funds or buying and selling investments. With monthly and weekly packages, you can subscribe for as little as $11 per month. Number 4, Black Box Stock. Wouldn't you want to get the pre-market alerts before the stock market even opens? Black Box Stock is remarkable in its features, such that it finds out the way to post alerts to let you explore the best opportunities in real time. To run the predetermined benchmark, Black Box Stock software fits out with a straightforward platform to establish a stock symbol. Having a list of stocks that meet your criteria will help you in deciding whether or not you should pay for those reserves. Black Box Stock stands out the best from the rest, as its pre-market scanners uncover the top 40 stocks with the most significant price hikes and drops, allowing you to make correspondence to the market movements. After a 5-day trial by signing up on their website, Black Box Stock has a paid plan starting from $99.97 per month. Number 5, Kavaut. Not getting a strict research methodology to follow for serviceable signals? Kavaut is simply the best solution for machine learning investment, as it suggests the best stocks with a blend of both machine intelligence and machine learning. If you are seeking an AI-based finance and data science unit, Kavaut stands out the best from the rest, as it is based on a world-class team of professionals and engineers to provide you with factor-loading meta-analysis for trading in the stock market. The sophisticated artificial intelligence-based research assistant uncovers cutting-edge technology to help you create your portfolio from scratch. For leaving your competitors far behind in the stock exchange market, analyzing and managing your portfolio is an integral role to play, and Kavaut just fits it out. Number 6, Signal Stack. you would probably be investing tons of energy and time to have a direct integration to expand your execution in trading. Let's put an end to this hustle with this AI-driven trading stock software tool. The signal stack is already designed to be highly reliable, as it automatically processes any output signal to turn it into live orders with an enterprise-grade platform. To give you an edge in today's fast-paced market, Signal Stack provides you with a detailed record of all the dealings and is capable of sending you automated alerts to adjust all the payloads for your stocks. This AI technology was previously not functional for retail traders. Without requiring any complex integration, the Signal Stack will convert your trading approach to an online brokerage account within a matter of minutes. Isn't it a must-have tool to positively influence your trading stocks? Ending the list with a holistic AI tool, number 7, VectorVest. Are you looking forward to a holistic approach to evaluating trading patterns for the best factors to go for? VectorVest provides top-notch marketing strategies for the finest investment opportunities. This AI-powered trading tool is distinguished from others, as its forecast will help you in finding out time-tested finance and personal stock recommendations. To help you act wisely, VectorVest tracks a variety of stocks and uses graphing, stock analysis, and portfolio management to display trading notions for selling, holding, or buying stocks. Long and short, the VectorVest is ideal for having a simple approach to a complex industry. With a 30-day trial for 99 cents, you can choose the best prospects that suit your trading, after which you are supposed to purchase their paid plans starting from $69 per month. Let us know in the comments section which tool you are going to have for your stock market trading and how did it turn out for you. Thank you for staying up!